And this is our Bishkek Park shopping mall. Done with the shopping. Okay. And brand mix is the brand here from where you can find out a best price and a best things. If you are visiting Bishkek Park, you must visit brand mix. Here is a new year. Here is a new year celebrations and new year decorations. And here is Mr. Shafiq. And here we exit from the Bishkek Park shopping mall. Done with our shopping. And here is we are exiting New Year celebrations. And Bishkek Park, you can see here. Thank you so much guys. That's our vlog and visit to the Bishkek Park shopping mall.